Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be discussing the simple moving average. The simple moving average is a technical analysis tool that calculates the closing price of any instrument on the Forex market over a certain period. So I'm going to be teaching you how to set it up on any instrument on the Forex market, and I'm also going to teach you how to use it. I also want to add that the simple moving average is a lagging indicator, which means that it only reacts when the trend of the market has changed. So what we Forex traders use it to do is simple. We use it for further confirmation, like, okay, the trend of the market has just changed. It's a wonderful tool if you use it in combination with several other indicators on the Forex market. Hi guys, if you're joining my channel for the first time, I welcome you. I urge you to hit the subscribe button, make a comment if you're finding it hard to trade, let's interact and let me see how I can be of help. And to my wonderful subscribers, thank you for keeping me going. Your feedback has been lovely. I hold this channel's growth to your continued support. Once again, thank you. Very soon I'm going to be joining the live chat, setting up how to use the simple moving average. Decisions can be with the simple moving average. I hope you enjoy it.
Setting up the moving average, I am on a particular instrument on the Forex market. My first point of call will be to click on insert, and under insert indicators, and under indicators trend, and under trend moving average. So I want to set the 20 moving average first. In most cases I use color blue, so I'm going to maintain the color and click OK, and the 20 moving average has just appeared on the interface. The next will be to set the 50, the same process, indicator, trend, moving average, but this time around 50. In most cases I use color red and click OK. And lastly, you could see that the 50 moving average has also appeared, color red. Lastly, the same process, indicator, trend, moving average, the 200 moving average. I'm going to use a distinct color. I use color green and click OK. So the 3 moving average has just appeared on the interface, where color blue represents 20, color red represents 50, and color green represents 200. What we look for in the simple moving average is that the intersection of the moving average. When the lower moving average crosses the higher moving average. So in this particular scenario, we have the 20 moving average, which is in color blue, crossing above the 50 moving average. Here, this determines that it is an uptrend. But like I said, it's a lagging indicator, meaning that it doesn't react until the trend has actually started. If you go back here on 17th September 2024 on this instrument, you realize that the trend has actually started, the uptrend started, but it took, I'm on the daily time frame, it took some days, around I think 15th of October, before the moving average actually reacted. So here, if it's an uptrend, a bullish confirmation, the lower moving average, in this case 20, will cross the 50 moving average upward, and the price values will be above. The price values will be above, and that's what we're seeing, the price value above. This is an indication. of an uptrend. I want to see an indication of a downtrend. Yeah, look at this example on July 12, 2024. A downtrend started, but it took this on the 24th of July 2024 before the lower moving average, which is the 20 moving average, crossed downwards the 50 moving average, just as a confirmation. And in this particular scenario, what will happen is that immediately the 20 moving average crosses downwards the 50 moving average, you have a confirmation of a downtrend. Is a lagging indicator. It only happened few days after, and that's why it is advisable you use in combination with several other indicators. You could see on this interface I'm using RSI, I'm using volumes, so and the downtrend continues. What will actually happen is that the 20 moving average will fall beneath, the 50 moving average will be above it, and the 200 moving average will be on top of everything on the downtrend. So this is how we use the simple moving average. The price, like I said, in the downward trend, the price will fall beneath the moving average, and that's what is happening. If you look at the price values here, below, it's falling below the simple moving average. This is what we actually do with simple moving average. We look for the intersection of the lower moving average when it crosses either above to determine a bullish trend or beneath to determine a bearish trend. So it's advisable that you use moving averages with other indicators. It's just so simple, very easy to use, and it's not clumsy, not difficult to use. You just look for the intersection, and take note that it's a lagging indicator, so you must not base your analysis totally on it, but you could use it in combination with several other indicators. Thank you for watching.